Managing multiple clients or large websites? Automate your SEO with Ali AI. Start your free trial now.
Taylor Swift is a link builder. There were rumors that she would get engaged. Our client said, let's give them a free wedding venue. And then we got them 50 links. That's digital PR.
Wix Studio, one end-to-end web creation platform for your agency to deliver exceptional work with absolute efficiency.
Thank you for the introduction, and I'm so happy to be with you here. I hope that you will enjoy the talk. So we will be talking about video SEO. This, of course, combines with the first speaker talking about the importance of social media today. Because, of course, you don't need someone to remind you the importance of video, because you already here, you are feeling the salt. Thank you for being here. But really, video is everywhere in the social media, on YouTube, whenever we move. And it's the best way today to be collaborative with the customer journey, leading the customer from the beginning, from the branding, and until being loyal to our brand. We will be talking about some techniques to supercharge your video strategy. I hope that you will enjoy and practice later. That's the most important. When we talk about video SEO, what is a video, by the way? A video is very simply a combination of three things. First, it's the content, which is the video itself. And then it's the hosting, where I will decide, we are a little bit technical, so it's about where we will host our video. And the third thing is backlinks. I mean backlinks, not only backlinks in the traditional way we talk about, but it's from our website, from others, from the social networks related to the first talk, and paid, if we advise to use paid to promote your videos. I'll begin by talking about hosting. Because usually when we decide to include video in our strategy marketing, what we will say, will we host them on YouTube, on our website? What are the advantages and disadvantages? Actually, if we host them on our own website, we will have full control, more backlinks. We will control everything in the page, even the content which is around and everything. But we might risk, if we don't have enough budget for the website and everything, we might risk to have slower page load. And it will be harder to rank a self-hosted video. While if we use a platform like YouTube and Vimeo, and of course for different teaching, we would use Teachable or other stuff. So we will get the benefit of being searchable. As was mentioned, people are searching in their social networks, and we will have the statistic to say that 82 of all videos are a result of Google search. Of course, we will have less customization, and the final idea, we risk to have the competitors' ad playing before our video, but we can survive. So it depends on our goals, video types, and on our marketing budgets. In my talk today, I will focus on a scenario of YouTube video that I will embed later in my website. So we will be talking about YouTube and how I will embed the video later in my website. That will take us to the other part, which is the content. Now we are talking about the video. We had that choice to put it on YouTube. And by the way, it's the most common case that we see with clients. They, most in the cases, looking to host their videos on YouTube, then they are looking to embed this video to their website, because it's like how things work today. So when we come to talk about the content, of course, we will begin by the keyword research. Now, keep in mind, keyword research and what's related to YouTube is different from the traditional keyword research that we do every day. Let me give you some examples. When we look for video, it's used to use short keywords like informational queries, how to make fish and chips, while when we are searching in the internet, keywords tends to be much longer. Another difference, when we are on YouTube, we want to listen to music, as simple as that, or hear something. But when we are on the internet, maybe we tend to use different keywords like what's the history of jazz or knowing more. As she said, for the recipes, we are looking for the recipe directly, while on the internet we will hear it's the recipe of my grandmother or something else. Third difference, it's used to be shorter keywords, while on the internet, when we are looking on Google, it used to be much longer keywords. So be careful. When the people of the marketing team are coming to you and asking for you to help them in doing the keyword research for a video, you will not exactly use the same tools that you are using today. Maybe you should include some more videos, some more tools. Here I have summarized the differences between the keyword research on video and the keyword research on the internet, just to show that it's really not the same thing. The first reflects when I hear a keyword and I want to create a video on is as simple as searching it on Google. If the results contain already a video, then go for it. It's a keyword that's approved to be a good keyword for videos. Because if it's a keyword that has not been identified by Google that's related to videos, it will be harder to show a video related to this keyword. Now, tools. We are all looking for tools to facilitate our life. So we are looking for, there are two kinds of tools. First are that they will help us to find the trending keywords, and the other type is those that will help us to find the green keywords, which will show our video all the year. Like, of course, we will begin by Google Trending. I'm talking about YouTube. And what's better than Google Trending? We should just take care of choosing YouTube that I'm searching in the YouTube search. Then I have all the possibility to show the rising or the top topics. And this is the first way to find the trending keywords. As for the evergreen green keywords, what's better than the autocomplete? You know the autocomplete? We already use it, but on YouTube it's really powerful. So we can use the star, I think you know that, but we can use the star so that we can try different combination, and we can use the keywords that we will predict here. Then we will take these keywords and validate if they are good or not. Who knows vidIQ? Yeah. So I hope that you will all, who will use the video, we will use it later, because it's really a very powerful tool, and what I like about it is it has the Chrome extension that everyone should have. It will show you everything. What are the, for example, the trending topics, the search volume, the competition, the opportunity that you will have. So here is really an application or an extension that will help you to grow your video on YouTube, and you should use it. It will help you, of course, to write the title, description, and tag correctly according to the keywords that you are choosing. And as I have mentioned, it has the Chrome extension that very interesting to have. Unfortunately, when you will have some spare time, you will find yourself looking on the statistics. This is the only disadvantage here. Another very powerful tool, who use it? Okay. So it's as powerful as vidIQ, and they have really all what you need to grow your video channel. From also the competition, the tax suggestion, and how to optimize your channel. And what I love about that, two things. You have the Chrome extension, and you have the A/B testing if you want to try different thumbnails. Because you know the thumbnails, as has mentioned before, is very effective to let people click through your video. So you can try, and we all in the SEO love the A/B testing. Of course, you have Ahrefs, you have SEMrush, different tools, but mainly the tools that I have mentioned before are the main tools that you need if you want to go in the YouTube world very well. There are some other tools. I use it, we use them from time to time. But here is the list of most of the most known tools for the video SEO. You can try whatever you like, but however, keep in mind, the takeaway here is keyword research in video is not the same as keyword research for your blog and your websites. Now, if we come to the thumbnails, it has been covered, but really, it has been proved that having a human face on the thumbnail, it attracts very well. And if you have noticed, Netflix, for example, before they used to put many people in the thumbnail to promote a series. Now they have only one, because it has been proved if we have one main person on the screen, it can attract more the attention. So I wanted to highlight that here. We should keep it interesting with some keywords that will let people click on the video. Another thing is, of course, every video should have its call to action, because I didn't mention this before, but every video, try to have one video, one goal. We are talking about big videos that your agency, your clients are trying to make for their services or products. So let's really plan a video like we plan a blog. It has an objective, what it will serve, what we can use from this video, with a clear call to action that the video has been intended to have. So takeaways, there are monies, but video SEO on YouTube is more than only title, description, and tags. The details matters. The details matter. Like add a transcript to your video. It will help so far Google and YouTube to understand what your video about. Of course, they can detect, but there is it's 90% correct when they predict the text alone from the voice. Add a hook, no monotony, as has been mentioned, pattern interrupt, change in the video, be interactive, and quality matters. Remember that when you are using the tools like TubeBuddy, for example, that new videos, YouTube try to promote them. So if you are trying to choose the keywords and you are finding a video that has 1 month, that it is 1 month old, try not to see the statistic related, because you will not see the correct numbers. YouTube will push the new videos. What you should have instead, you should look for the videos that are 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, so that you can see the real quality of search for this keyword before choosing it. Use playlists. They engage more the user and explain to Google and the client what you are talking about. So they are very interesting to have a playlist about a topic. Then you can move to another playlist on another topic. And of course, YouTube Statistic and Google Console are your friends. Now, the last thing about video is really how you will connect to this video from your website or from the social networks that are related. So, according to a study, a web page that contains a video is much more probable to be seen and consulted. So don't neglect the importance of including the videos that you have created on your website. It's again the traffic. Some technical, maybe we will not go into the details, but I have you have the slides later so that you can come back. But helping Google to identify your videos. Be generous in taking care of the details, like including, for example, being sure that the video is not, the page that you will include the video in it doesn't have no index tag or is not prevented by robot.txt to be indexed. Then make a dedicated page for each video. Each video has only one page in your website. Don't put many videos in the same web page. Then explain to Google what's your page about, using, of course, the structured data using the schema.org and everything that you can explain what's in the page related to this video. So I have embedded some example of the code, which is, we will use it now or later. And activate video features by coming and explaining clearly to Google what the video contains, what's the transcript, what language, how long is the video, what are the main minutes in the video, so that it can use this information to explain, to show it clearly on the slides. This is an example. Of course, structured data for video is, you can use any tool. There are plenty of tools for that. And you can choose what are the related features that you can include for each video. Here's an example for, here we can clarify what are the important minutes of our video, so that we can go directly to the place where they have the information that they need. Remember, we have 3 required properties, which are the name, thumbnail, and upload date for each video. If you don't clarify very well what is the uploaded video, YouTube will take it for granted for the US time. So be careful of this point of view, because I have seen many errors here. And remember that structured data helps search engine to understand the context of your video better, making it very easy for them to index. And like this, you will overcome every problem that can arrive to your video. Much more, there are plenty of the properties that you can add, but one advice, avoid stuffing. Don't put as much properties, but what you need and what your video is about. So the takeaway when we are talking about adding the video to our website, like in a blog or in the homepage or in a landing page, for a video should be the main content of the web page. Embed it towards the beginning of the page. Don't put it down in the page. Publish a transcript, and please don't copy and paste a transcript that is not very well organized. Keep the transcript readable, make it a little bit more beautiful. And then one page, one video, remember that. Of course, there are an exception when we are talking about teaching, we are learning something, we have the review of users about our products, but mainly, let's always keep that in mind, one page, one video, and ensure any on-page content match one-to-one with the video content, which means this page is dedicated to this video. Don't add things that are not related. Focus on this, and add video object structured data, as I have mentioned before, and always adopt a methodology of video series and blogs. So like we on blogs, we have series of blogs matching some keywords, related keywords. Do the same thing on videos, and every video, think of them as a family or as a playlist. This is much better for you, and this will be reflected on your website. Now, when we are talking about the social and paid, when you have, great, you have reduced your videos, you have worked very well, thumbnails are engaging, everything is correct. Now, how you will promote? You will not leave it on YouTube and go. You will go and practice all what has been mentioned in the first presentation today. You will make short videos. You will go to Instagram and promote your video. If it is work-oriented, you will put the videos on LinkedIn related to the next presentation. But make short videos like publicity to your video, and drive people to come and click on your video and engage with you, of course. So use all the channels that you can, like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, X, if needed, so that you can promote the video and bring people to watch the video and click on the page on your website. Remember, it will give you a double source of traffic from YouTube as well as from your website. And then I don't find it's a bad idea to pay a little when you are, not when you are starting, but when you want to promote an important video for you. So it's not a bad idea to use the paid for a while, so that later it will go on and you will shine in the YouTube and video world. Remember, videos now with the rise of the AI, videos are much more important. Why? Especially if we are showing our faces, because it's the signal of trust. The people will trust us, will come and work with us and with our clients. So encourage your clients to include videos, talk about their services instead of only blogging about that. And remember always that videos are made for people because people buy from people. So I was with you this 20 minutes. I hope that it was useful as you were expecting. And we can stay in contact on LinkedIn. And thank you all.
Monthly reporting making you want to shove sharp things up your nose? Try Dragon Metrics, the all-in-one SEO software with mind-blowing reporting tools.